Hello viewers, good morning. I am Miss Pragati. Now you will hear the Gita philosophy and its importance from Professor Kamakhya Prasad Das, HOD in History, Government College Koraput, Odisha. Thank you.
Friends, the Gita philosophy distinguishes a person through its moral concept and causes personal development as well as society. One's ability is rightly justified by following its principle and multiplies one's faith and confidence just because of his own sincere participation in the assigned activities, but it makes one responsible and judgmental every time. This Gita philosophy is a mirror that reflects one's divine qualities through the assigned duties. In the light of divine presence, it justifies our jobs and rebuilds our capacity. Human does not commit any wrong if understands this philosophy truly. It has a greater value for the modern world as well as of the traditional world, as it justifies the past logically. So let's read it and enjoy it. This Gita philosophy reforms both head and heart through technical indication. Its intellectual approach brings one to the right path and fills us with divine feelings and intuitive perception. So friends, its clear spiritual hierarchy illumines the way for the modern man and modern mystics. The soul gets right direction through this philosophy and assumes the right value while justifying his ability. So friends, Gita philosophy possesses a deeper insight and understanding. It is no man's property. It is just a connecting bridge between the masses and the authorities. The aspirants receive it in their varying degrees. The aspirants receives it in their varying degrees according to their ability only. The general average public go by its general sense, while the intellectuals go in its special character and experience it on society. Friends, the Gita philosophy does not believe in the rising expectancy of the coming of the Krishna again to this earth, but it holds out the greatest hope of mankind today through this philosophical value only. Krishna already had reformed the humankind and had transmitted his thought through this Gita philosophy. Our willpower carry it further. The Gita philosophy believes in the will of Lord Krishna always and the will of we people always, which have been shown through Arjuna. It depicts motivation and rather than compulsion. It believes motivation is the only gateway for the reformation. So friends, it is a kind of social science and acts on reality only. It has no meaning for non-practical human because this universe is just a practical field that allows everyone to move according to its ability only. The Gita philosophy is a kind of scientific innovation based on reality. It is an intellectual and original philosophy and this philosophy is an organization of spiritual energy. Its vitality lies in love and willpower of different spiritual beings the time. It establishes a close relation and constant communication between humanity and the spiritual hierarchy. This philosophy initiates and inspires the souls to act openly among not-minded and will evoke a positive response. So, Gita philosophy automatically speaks about Karma Tattva. It's time to learn this philosophy in our heart because reaction to any situation or thinking gives birth to dissatisfaction. It is a cry or crying appeal wrung from the heart of human for all times to come. This Gita philosophy is a voice of consciousness for crisis management present around us. This is a kind of invocative cry rises ceaselessly from the great souls living among distressed masses. Its spiritual effect acts upon people silently to find solace for the affected one. Thank you.
Thank you for watching our channel. See you in the next episode.